Hi, welcome to a new series of Python tutorials for beginners that I'm recording. I've decided to record these videos to help any person who wants to get started with Python. So we are going to go through the very basics of Python, and then we go through the common logic in Python programming, and then I also expose you to why it's important to learn Python in this era, because there are many things that you would need Python to do now or in the future or even in your programming career. So let's get started. How do you get Python on your computer? The first thing is to download it from their website. So just open any search browser and search for download Python. So the website we are looking for is python.org. So you click on that. Over here we have downloaded the latest version for Windows. Okay, so I'm using a Windows, so if you want to download for any different OS, you can hit these tabs. So we have Linux, we have Mac, and then we have other, but I'm downloading for Windows. Now you realize the version of Python here is Python 3.9.2. So as at the time I'm recording this video, the latest version is 3.9.2. so just click here to download. So the download is on. Just wait for it, and then we can run through the installation together. So download is complete. I want to open the downloads folder, so I have it over here. The next thing to do is to install it. You just do that by double clicking on it. Do you want to run Python? You just click yes. Now I want you to check this box which is add Python to path. Okay, before you now, the reason why we checked it to path is that we checked that option is that later when you are installing certain modules in Python, you wouldn't need to add it to path, which is a different procedure. So that saves you a bit of an effort. So this is the installation process. After this, Python will be all yours. So setup was successful. That's perfect. So currently Python is installed. But how do you know Python is installed? It comes with a default IDE, which is called idle. So you just hit your Windows tab and then you search for idle. You hit enter. So this is Python's own IDLE shell. So we'll be learning the very basics of Python here, and as we move further we may migrate to a different interface. Okay, but for now I want to speak to you about why it's important to learn Python. Now in the world we are right now, we are moving towards an era of data analysis and then machine learning, artificial intelligence. That's the era we are moving towards. And one thing with Python is that there are many programming languages. We have PHP, Java, JavaScript, a lot of programming languages. But not every programming language is suited for a particular task. There are programming languages which does web development better than others. And there are also some programming languages which does data analysis better than others. So Python is one of those languages that is you cannot mention data analysis without mention or making mention of Python. Another example of a very powerful language in data analysis is R. Okay, it's also a very good programming language. So, but also Python is general. You can use Python for web development, you can use it for desktop applications, and you can also use it for data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence. So it's kind of general. So you learn one language, you can use it to do different things. Let's look at some companies that uses Python. Okay, so I'm just going to the images over here, and then you can already see. So let me just click on one of them. So we have Netflix, Facebook, Yahoo, Google, Nokia. Even Nokia uses Python. Okay, so you realize that you're not learning Python just to throw your knowledge away, but it's something that is very important. As of 2019, Python ranks second in terms of salary and job opening. Okay, so you can go through this website. You would get a firm understanding, and then you'll be motivated more to learn Python. So that's my little motivation. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and make sure to check the next video. Thank you.